Hi, my name is Mike Foote. I'm a chemist at BISSELL. Today we're going to talk about why it's important to deep clean your carpet versus just vacuuming alone. Vacuuming alone does a great job. It removes the surface soil and it keeps your carpet looking fresh and clean. The importance of a carpet cleaner is you can get all the deep down dirt that's brought in by kids and pets and normal wear and tear in your carpeting, and it removes any sticky messes that might also be there. The reason that you've got the carpet cleaner is to have the solution, the detergent, the agitation from the brushes, and the ability to suck all that material up and remove it from your carpet to keep it clean. I'm going to show you what I do to prep and get ready to deep clean the carpet with a carpet cleaner. We've determined that we want to go ahead and deep clean this carpet due to all of the dirt and stains. We've also got some stains back here that we want to clean. So we're going to start by removing the furniture. Vacuum here to remove any of the loose soil. Now we vacuumed the carpet, removed all the loose soil. We're going to go ahead and pre-treat our spot here. Now we fill the tank with hot tap water to the water line, put the detergent in, measure it out in the cap, and add it to our tank. Okay, we filled the tank, we've got the cap on tight. Another tip, don't depress the plunger or your tank might leak. We're ready to clean now. Start in the opposite corner because we're going to exit the room this way. We're going to do 2 wet passes followed by 2 dry passes. And do it at an arm's length that's comfortable for you. We're going to move it over, 2 wet passes, 2 dry passes. Check the stain to see if it's clean. If it's clean, continue on with the rest of the carpet, heading back towards your exit. If I have the time, I'm going to go ahead and rinse. If you've got solution left, pour it out, fill it up with just hot tap water, go back to the same corner that I started in, back and forth again with the 2 wet passes and the 2 dry passes. You're going to have a lot of dirty solution that's still going to come up. You're going to be surprised at how much is there and the value of why you go back and rinse your carpet. For more great tips, watch our other cleaning videos and subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please post them below. Thanks.